One of the ways that we cap off a wall is with a metal coping. This is one of the less expensive ways to do it because it's got fasteners on the inside into the nailer as opposed to a full cleat. This customer was looking for value as opposed to the absolute Cadillac version of a roof. So we went with a coping over top of the whole wall to keep any water from getting in, but just did an exposed fastener on the inside with a seam plate at every seam underneath it. Again, this customer was going for value as opposed to the absolute best quality. So this meets the manufacturer's 20-year warranty specifications, and the walls that were not exposed to the exterior or not seen from the roof, we did a wrap with TPO over top of it, and then just ran a termination bar with caulk sealant over top of it. So this is an interesting walkway pad installation. Coming around a roof hatch, the manufacturer wants to see us put walkway pads, but we're not allowed to cross the seams with a walkway pad, so we have to cut them back. So because of the way the seams work on this is a lot of cut up channels in here in our walkway pads, but this is the proper way to do it. If you see walkway pads that are run over top of seams or patches, that is an incorrect way to install them. All right, one of the things that you'll probably notice is this being a brand new roof is that it does look a little dingy. We do have some footprints on it. This was a re-roof over top of an existing asphalt roof. So it becomes very difficult to keep the TPO, which is white, clean when you're walking off of a black roof. We try and do the best that we can, but sometimes the asphalt and the dust from when we're doing the work gets on the roof, and it does cause some discoloration. It does not affect the warranty on the roof. It does not affect the longevity of the roof. It just sometimes doesn't look the best, and it's sometimes very, very difficult to avoid that.